back into the swing of things. So on my Instagram, I realized there's two things I have not done a tutorial of, and that's number one, the 2020 collection of the Chanel, which I'll probably film next week or during the weekend, some sort. But we're gonna go over today with Estee Lauder. This is a gift that my mom gave me, and it's the Powerful Pink Color collection. I don't think the stores have it anymore, but it was a beautiful collection, and I wanted to share this with you today. So it was like more for like a Valentine's Day type theme, but they still had it in March, and I managed to get my hands on it. Well, she managed to get her hands on it, so I'm gonna do a quick tutorial of that. So we're gonna begin. This is what comes in the little box. If you open it, it's covered in this pink pretty paper with Estee Lauder there and all that good spiel. So in it is these colors, the Estee Lauder colors, and this is it. I'm gonna open my mirror over here because then I can't see what I'm doing. So, oops, making a mess around here. So in other words, it's this that I'm going over with. So these are the colors. As you can see, it's a white, it's a pink, and it's like a in-between color, and still light though, and the dark color there. Then I'm probably going to do my liner, which did not come with the Estee Lauder. This is Chanel liner, which I'm going to probably do my lips on before I apply the Estee Lauder lip products that came with it, and that would be the 205 Flower Flow color, and this is the Pure Color Envy Liquid Metallic. So I will do some swatches before I actually apply them to myself. And this one is the 220 Powerful Pure Color Envy Sculpting Lipstick. And that's that right there. So pink, 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 pink day. Love it or hate it. Maybe this is not the video for you if you don't like pink. Skip through. And one thing I forgot, another cool thing is that the Estee Lauder came with like its little own brush. It's like pink. Hope you guys could see that. So, isn't that cute? It's cute. So I'm going to use this brush today so you guys can see how it flows well. Excuse my hair. Anyways, moving forward. I'm going to start with first applying my P. Louise base. This is the color Rumor 1, I believe. Yes. Brand new person. Hey. So I put very little. I don't know why people love to cake on so much primer. Like eyeshadow primer. I find that very weird. Let's go back to this. We are going to start with the outer corner, and I think I'm going to start with this dark shade over here and kind of just work my way in.
So we're going to take that, and I'm going to apply that here. As you can see, you can start to see the color already. It's very pigmented, so I'll start working my way in.
And we're going in like that. Very softly. I'm doing soft strokes. I don't know if you could see that color. There you go. And I'm going to put that towards here. And we're just going to put that in. And I'm going very lightly. I'm not, like I said, I'm not trying to put too much. I want the colors to blend in very well. Go in with that second color right there. I'm gonna dab it into that, and I'm gonna put that mostly on the inner corner there. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's starting to look light already in the inner corner. And now for the last part, I'm gonna put this on the inner corner of my eye. I'm also gonna drag it out here towards the outer end, okay? So I'm gonna grab that, put that at the inner corners. Hopefully you guys could see that pop of shine in there. Okay, I'm also going to grab it again, and I'm going to highlight this part right here. The lighter shade, I'm going to go at the bottom. Just on the inner, and then I'm going to grab the darker shade, and I'm gonna go very gently towards the end, and then work my way towards the middle. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, so we will be right back. And I'm back. Anyway, so that's it for this beautiful, beautiful palette. 4 shades. I incorporated all those 4. You can see how I did it. You could definitely make a whole lot different looks with this, so it's beautiful. I am gonna go ahead and put eyeliner on the top and the bottom, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I am back. My eyeliner is on. I'm gonna do my real lashes, meaning like I'm gonna curl them and put my favorite Estee Lauder, which did not come with the box, by the way, but I love this mascara, so you should get it. It is called the Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Value Mascara, and I love it, and you should get it. Just want to do my lips real quick. So today we are using, so I'm going to put a little bit of my Estee product. I do have a discount code for this, by the way, so definitely use it. Dehydrated lips, so this is amazing for everyday wear. As you can see, I got this literally a month ago, and I'm almost out of it. So just about like over a month ago, and I use it that much. So now that I put a little bit of that, and my lips are hydrated, my lips are hydrated, not dehydrated. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lipstick first, but before I do that, I am gonna put a little bit of the lip liner from Chanel, and this one is Le Crayon. Okay, this is from their new lip liners, by the way, the lip pencils that they took out, and I love them, so you should give them a try. I am gonna go ahead and put the Pure Color Envy Sculpting lipstick. And I'm just gonna apply that.
So this is not first impressions. I've already used this product. Meaning like when the package that my mom gave me, that she got me. And I couldn't wait. So I like opened it right away, and I
tried it on, and I like fell in love with it. Leave your lips like this with this color, or you can apply the metallic liquid, which this one is called the Flower Flow. So I'm gonna add a little bit, just so you can see how much it adds into. Okay, so I put my, I don't know if you guys can see. There you go. See the volume that mascara gives me? Volume, girl, volume. I can even lift this spot up if I want to, but I'm not going to. So, my final thoughts on Estee Lauder on the pink collection. I love it.
It is a beautiful gift that my mother gave me. And it's not because she gave me that. That is the reason why I love it. That's not it at all. I mean, I love her in general, but but I really like this collection because it comes with, you know, typically when you buy like other products, usually things come separately. And what I like about like companies like Lancome, Estee Lauder, etc., you know, unlike Chanel too, and things like that, there are companies that are great, like Estee Lauder, which, by the way, donated a mask in this current situation due to COVID, which I really appreciate companies like that, because they didn't really have to. If they don't want to, they can hold on to that stuff, but they did a good deed, so shout out to Estee Lauder. But I like Estee Lauder for the simple fact that they still have good quality products that they could combine and take out a beautiful collection, such as this one. And it comes with the quad, a lipstick, and a metallic lip gloss, along with the beautiful brush as well, which I'm not sure what I did with it. It's somewhere in here though. And I appreciate things like that. It's very hard to find good quality stuff like that come in like a little gift like that. So, and it wasn't expensive at all, according to my mother. I don't know how much she paid for it, but yeah. So that's that. I wanted to go over that because this collection is very dear to me. I hope you like it. I like the feel of the metallics. They are very smooth, but at the same time, it does have that metallic feel to it, so you gotta be careful. If you think like it's too gooey for you, you're not gonna love it. And that's the metallic alone. Okay, so that was this. And lipstick.
Which glides on so beautifully. So this is the gloss, this is the lipstick. They both have a little bit of shine to them. So if you're not into shines and only into mattes, stay away from those. But I love a good shine here and there, so I don't mind it. So that's that. And then the swatches for these, for the quads, which I'm gonna do on this same hand here. So we're gonna start with the lighter shade, which is this one. So that's that light shade that I used out here, also on the inner corner. Okay, we're gonna go with the light pink next to it. Okay, and as you can see, very, very light, very sheer. Okay, and then the next one, it's a little bit of a shimmer to it. And this one you really gotta build up. It doesn't show up like in one pigment right away. So you definitely gotta give it a couple of times. Okay, and then you have the darker color, which I'm gonna do right now. Which is that shade right there. So there you go. These are gorgeous. I like these because they blend very well. And I like that about a product, that you can blend. You don't have to like force it to blend. That pisses me off. But you know, when you have to force it to blend, whatever, you have to force it to blend. What can you do? But for these, I didn't have to, so yeah, that's it for this video. I've been having a hard time, by the way, trying to get motivated and be inspired because of everything that's going on. As a healthcare worker, you hear about your other coworkers, you hear about other people's stories, you hear about what's going on in the hospital, not just outpatient center, so forth and so forth and so forth. And it's kind of devastating, and it's frustrating that when I go out and people are wearing masks and gloves, they throw it on the floor and they don't throw it out. But practice safely, guys. I don't understand why people do this.
Use your gloves, throw them in a garbage. Don't throw them on the floor. That defeats the whole purpose. If you think you're safe and you're outgoing and you're going out with a couple groups and you think you're not risking others, you are. If you don't care about yourself, great. But you know what? Wear a mask. At least protect others by not spreading your, I don't want to say disgustingness, but by not spreading your mucus or whatever out in the open and just not give a damn about anyone else. That's just not okay with me. And yeah, when there's people, not specifically me, but when there's people like doctors, nurses, nurse practitioners, radiation as well, as well as respiratory therapists risking their lives for people like you and me. So please don't do that. It's disrespectful. So yeah, I just had to take that out because it's been eating me. But that's really it. I hope to see you on my next video. I do want to do a fragrance perfume video because I have, you know, from normal brands to luxe brands such as Creed, which is more like a luxe brand, and then you have like Angel from Macy's, which, by the way, I love. But if you want to see a video on that and me explain to you about the ingredients, who should be wearing it, who shouldn't be wearing it, sensitive skin, not on sensitive skin, so forth and so forth, let me know in the comment section below. I do want more interaction with you guys, and I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And if not on YouTube, subscribe to my Instagram channel,
which I do mini tutorials with music, and who doesn't love music, right? So I hope you guys have a great month. I know the quarantine time is expanded now, and I hope you guys just practice safe precautions. You know, if you don't want to do it for yourself, then do it for others. Just do it for others. Thanks. Have a good day.